Finally, after 6 months of working and using all of Sam's more than 10 years of photo editing experience, Sam has successfully researched and developed FineArt's secret image editing software. Sam put the whole process into this plugin and from there it increased Sam's image editing speed by 5 to 10 times.
In this tutorial, Sam will also guide you how to edit a photo of the sea is not blue. Become a blue sea. Also, I'll take care of the dress. Apply the liquify part, squeeze the skirt to make the photo more beautiful and vivid. Then this photo Sam took in the Sea of Vietnam. Many of us will encounter a sea like this. There is no blue, not beautiful. However, we are professional. Any photo we retouch, we have to do how to make it as beautiful as possible. So for this photo, I still apply the 4-step process that Sam shared with you as the subject, the colors, the environment and the effects. Then this photo I will not apply the effect. So in this process, it only has 3 steps: subject, color and environment. Well, the effect is this photo I liquify. I will start with the subject first. Then I will find the dress and this environment a bit yellowish. So I will rebalance the white balance. Minus white balance. Once I still haven't found it enough. Here I will weigh based on this dress. Next one more. So Sam finds it enough. Now going to try another white balance. Okay. I see it with this 3 times reduction of white balance. Then I found this photo to be much clearer. It's the right dress color. The color of the dress is yellow, now it's pure white. Okay. Next, I will do the skin treatment. This skin I want to make it brighter, I choose white skin 3. I scan the subject. Okay, if I want to do skin, I will choose beauty skin. Enter. Now I will sweep into the skin will be smooth and beautiful. In the advanced part, Sam will guide you how to skin it in more detail. At this basic part, I just stop at this level. Start me merge all these layers together. Next, Sam will guide you how to squeeze the skirt. Then first I will press V, pull this photo up as high as possible, and then Sam will select the selection. I choose M, rectangular. Command T and I drag the picture down. Now I see that my dress is much bigger now. Okay, after I've pulled the skirt, I choose Liquify. In this Liquify, I'll squeeze this dress first. These sharp parts, Sam will squeeze it evenly. Note that the lower part of this waist, I always squeeze a little bit. Then my hand squeezed a little. Here's the groom's hair. The groom's hair is blown up by the wind, I will squeeze it in. Before, after. Well, now I have finished dealing with the subject part. Now for the second step, I will process the colors. I will make the sand white, the sky blue and the skirt white. First of all, for the white dress, I will choose the white dress. Click on Whiter dress. It's a bit too white here, so Sam will lower the opacity. Then 60% is okay. This part in the advanced section Sam will show you how to block this dress to make it look even better. Next, I will make the sand white. By choosing -color cast, I chose to exclude yellow. Then after I subtract yellow. Here the flower has lost its color. I will restore it by selecting the flower and I will restore it. Flow I adjusted 100%. Next to the main part is that I will subtract organ. Then when I subtract organ, its skin will lose its color, so I will restore my skin. Then I will reduce the opacity to suit my wishes. Sam thinks 40% is okay. Then Sam will scan in. Flow 100% scans in. With the last two steps, I have white sand and white skirt. Next I will make the sky bluer, by choosing +water or +sky. I add water and it increases both. Okay, if one isn't enough, I'll add another one. So the sea is blue, but the sky is a bit too blue. In this photo Sam doesn't want the sky to be so blue. So Sam increases this flow by 50%. And sweep into the sky. To reduce the blueness of the sky. Then continue in this photo and I'm done. Now if I want it to be whiter. Then I will choose the skin, white skin. I scan the skin. If you want whiter skin. Before. I have a yellow photo. The sky is not blue. The color is yellow, the sand is yellow. Then after a few steps, a few mouse clicks with FineArt Secret. Then I had a clearer photo. The skirt was wavy and the sky was very blue.